Want to know how to edit out your colorblind mode in Paladins? So if you're suffering or if you have any colorblind difficulties in playing games, this video is for you. So first things first, you can just simply open up your Paladins game, and once you have opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing this gear icon right here, which is the settings. So you can just simply select it. So once you select settings, by default it should be under video. Now once you're there, just scroll all the way down, and here you should be seeing right below FOB colorblind mode. So you can just simply select it. You can just simply change your colorblind mode according to your type right here, and then select apply, and then you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.